Yeah.
This is the first
All right,
game.
hold on.
We like redo it until we get this is the moment, y'all.
The ceremonial first pitch presented by Brian Hotchkiss.
And we're live, game 1 of the 2024 DCW World Series. Ben Blyer stepping up in the box. Now quickly 3-0. That one's hit high, deep, and gone. Ben Blyer with a leadoff home run to start the World Series. Last year's World Series MVP starts us off with another.
That's rough.
That was crushed.
Taco taco.
Gentlemanly play. The pitcher commending.
Here's the pitch now from Dunn. And he's got him, strike 3. It's quickly 1 away.
I'm not. What do you say? He said he's gonna hit the ball.
You did? Yeah.
Here's the pitch now. And he's grounded up the middle. Nobody's there. Max gets a single. And now we're back to the top of the order. The pitch. And he's got him, strike 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The high pitch freezes Blyer there, and it's quickly 2 outs. And now he gets him for strike 3.
Yes, sir.
A loud start to the inning by Ben Blyer, but a quick way to shut him down for Henry Dunn. And we're back, bottom of the first inning now. Henry Dunn steps up. A lineup change for game 1 here as Henry Dunn is leading off as opposed to JD Miller. Here's the pitch. Hit high up in the air. Michael drops it. And that'll be a bloop single for Henry Dunn. Yes, sir. He hits that one deep up the middle. There's an out. Missed me? All right, the runner is safe at second base. A close play there. I'm not sure why he didn't just tag the bag. 3-1 now. That one's crushed up the middle. It'll be a fielder's choice though.
Power hitter?
As Fisher is out as Kempf is out at second. That one misses the high top as it's a walk to load the bases. That one's hit high and deep. Blyer's there. And the runners will stay put. Let's see how Michael answers. And I got him. A rough inning there from Michael, but he gets them all and leaves them scoreless as they head into the top of the second.
My pitching wasn't really wrong.
Lawnmowers win, or Lawnmowers lead 1-0. Nice. Up steps Max Aaron. We come to the top of the second. Nice. That one's grounded hard to Fisher. Right, and it's a single. And he gets him swinging. One down now as Michael Tichy steps up. 0-2 to Tichy. And he gets him swinging. Nice, you're up. And that one just misses a major league take there. He walks. Deuces the Blyer, here's the pitch. And he's got a weak ground ball. He's out. Great play there by Henry Dunn as he closes the inning. Felt like it. Oh, and that one's grounded to Blyer.
Get out, Henry. You fast motherfucker.
Oh.
Sorry.
Almost makes the play, but Dunn is safe. Nick Kempf is dialed in this game. It's a weak chopper to Michael. The throw to first. Oh, he made the play! Dunn advances to third. A great play by Max Aaron to stretch and make the catch. On third, 1 down.
Yes, Ben.
That should do it, as it did not. He's out! Do you want to look at it? Okay. We're gonna have a review here. After review, the runner is out.
I don't know. I don't think there's any way to see.
I saw that as well.
That one's hit high and deep.
Yes, sir!
And it's gone!
Yes, sir!
Henry Dunn with a go-ahead home run.
Yes!
And they have a 2-1 lead.
Break your fucking arm.
And that one's lined to Blyer. He has a play, and no, he does not. He's safe. That one's grounded right to Max, and there'll be an out. That's 3 as we head to the top of the 3rd. Lawnmowers needs to answer back, or else they will lose the first game of the World Series. Oh yeah, sorry, 2-1. I said 3, yeah. That one's hit to Fisher, and he's got it.
Really far back.
He lines that one up the middle. Here's the play. He's out! Good. Do you want to challenge it? I mean, might as well.
Is there a harm in challenging? I think
No.
Yeah.
The Lawnmowers had to challenge.
You weren't in the way of the camera.
The call on the field stands. The runner is out. The pitch from John to Blyer. That's it, high and deep. And he's got it! Party Llamas win game 1. And we're live. Top of the 1st in game 2 of the World Series. Party Llamas took the first one in a 2-1 victory. Here's a pitch from Max Aaron. That one's grounded, foul. That one's hit high and deep. It's gone. Henry Dunn, his 2nd home run of the World Series, and they quickly have a 1-0 lead now. Henry Dunn, showing why he is an MVP candidate, Silver Slugger candidate. He is DCW.
Okay.
What the hell is that?
You doing a little bit too much, buddy.
Ravello! Hello!
No.
Goodbye! I think it was foul.
That was foul and he caught it, so.
Even though it's past the home run yard.
Awful call. You gotta be sure.
Buddy, you can't just say it as soon as he hits it.
That one's popped up. Max is there, and he's got it falling on his ass.
Hey, if we had fans.
I almost got ejected. No. Okay. You jump and catch it.
JD, edit right now.
Here's the pitch down from Max Aaron. Swung to Blyer. No one's at first. He's safe. The pitch down from Max. Grounded hard to Blyer. Safe. Did he come off? I'll take a crew chief review. I wasn't looking. I'll look. Unless you say you're out, Bennett. Bennett, are you out?
Bennett.
Are you out?
Bennett.
Okay. Bennett is out. He comes off the base. Bottom of the 1st now accepts Ben Blyer. That one's grounded hard. He blocks it, but there should be no one at first. His Blyer's in with a single. Pitch to Michael. Swung and missed. He's got him.
Oh my God, we don't own you no more.
And that one's in for strike 3. Henry, stop doing that. Henry.
You didn't even care if it's like not even anywhere near.
That one's grounded. Fair! Fisher bubbles it. He's safe.
And
BBL,
you're done.
That one's lined up the middle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pitcher makes a play.
Let's go.
And we head
Go.
to the top of the second.
Who was last out?
Party Llamas lead 1-0. Henry's lost out.
Okay, you're on, okay. He just said I'm gonna pee in that was what he said. Like actually. Goodbye.
Popped up.
That's fair.
That drops.
Fair,
Touch fair.
Holy shit.
Safe.
Yay!
Henry. 1-1 now on Nick Kemp. Grounds that one.
Shit out, Trey.
Out. JD Miller did not have much hustle on that one. Waved and missed that. First strikeout of the day for Max Aaron. Throw it. Why didn't you throw
No,
it?
if you get thrown out, I'm gonna be fast.
Bring her in and be cuffed. Henry Dunn. Caught by Michael Tichy.
Yeah, that's
That robs a home run.
I don't think that was a home run. Bro, the shift is crazy. He's got the stats.
That one's line. A nice single for Max Aaron, who's having an impressive World Series. Grounded to Kemp. He's off the bag. Single for Blyer. Here's the pitch. Grounded. Max coming to third. Safe. Bases loaded now, no outs. Deuces now for Max Aaron. Ah, waved and missed that. A huge out for the Party Llamas. Stop. Sit down.
Two more, Pierre.
That one's hit high. Caught.
Good job.
2 big outs now. Michael Tichy needs to answer back. This is loaded jam. Here's the pitch. Hit high. Nick's there. And he's got him.
That's huge. That's crazy.
Hey Siri, what's clutch?
Come on.
Come on.
Who was last out?
Ace right there.
I'm gonna have that with my misses.
Yeah, I don't want to miss my pitch. Like this one.
Get out, ball.
Hello.
Fuck.
Goodbye.
And you keep the
Bombs away
and you keep the
for
whole
JD Miller. Man, when he gets a hold of one, he sends it a long way.
Can you keep the whole dialogue like
That's a huge home run for JD to give an insurance run for the Party Llamas.
that right? Get the music over. It's raining.
That one's grounded. Blyer bobbles it.
He's a runner. He's a drug star.
Grounded.
Bat hit me. Dennis, the bat hit me.
What?
You hit me with the bat.
I'm sorry.
Max.
Oh.
Grounded. He beats Henry to the base. Nick's rounding third.
Wait.
Second and third now, 1 out, top of the 3rd inning. JD Miller laces one right to Michaelo. A run will come in, but they do get an out. Little League walk-up song is crazy. That one's hit hard, caught by Blyer. Now we head to the bottom of the 3rd. The Lawnmowers need at least 3 runs, or else they're out of here. Swung, he missed. He's got him. Takes that one, strike 3.
Oh my God.
The last chance for Glover. Upsets Michael Tichy, the team's captain and manager. That one's hit high. It's a single for Michael Tichy. They're still alive. Mowers alive. Grounded up the middle.
Dig out.
Way out. Michael, you cannot go. Up steps Ben Blyer. A shot here continues this game.
I mean, Alex was walking too many guys together. Yeah. You could tell how that was going to go.
That one! High and deep! And Ben Blyer has tied the game! Oh my God!
Rub this plate covered in poo all over it.
Wet everything! Hopes were down! Ben Blyer with a shot! And this game is brand new! Here, let's go. Feels good. Feels good. Here's the bitch, strike 3! And this game goes to the 4th. Oh, hit the zone, strike 3!
Call your dad.
Here's the pitch. Crushed! Gone! Henry Dunn gives him back the lead, and the bat is on the roof.
No, don't throw a ball up there. Just throw it kind of small. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Ow, what the fuck?
Goodbye, goodbye. Dunn hit the bomb. They have the lead. Now comes JD Miller.
Back, Jack, okay? Get up, ball. Holy shit.
Crushed high.
God damn.
Oh, stays up. No, wait, but that's a home run, I think.
That's
That's a home run for JD Miller.
You catch that?
No. Wait, it was off the wall, so we really calling that a home run?
It was at the infield though.
Yeah, I know. What are the rules? It's a home run?
I was in the infield, the ball was in the outfield. That's a home run.
Yeah. Back-to-back home runs to cement the lead. Nick Kemp steps up, hoping to make it 3 in a row, and he's hit it hard to right to Blyer though. 2 strikes down on Fisher. He's just been announced. He's just been told that's strike 3. That one's high. Caught.
It's fine, it's fine.
Grounded. He's got it.
Let's go.
That's the out.
Man, you can't like.
Now Michael Tichy once again, the last shot. It's a strike. 1 more strike. Strike 3. Party Llamas win it. And the Party Llamas win the World Series. Their second, now DCW leading World Series win. World Series MVP, Henry Dunn. Henry, what do you have to say after bringing your squad to their second World Series and becoming the World Series MVP?
You know, I couldn't have done it without my ace pitcher, Nick Kemp.
Nick Kemp, come over here.
Jack, you mind if I have a sip of this?
Go for it. There's another one. Yeah. Go for it. You go for it.
We did it, bro.
Nick, what do you have to say? Winning pitcher in the last game of the World Series.
I'm just happy to be here, having lots of fun. Sweep, no big deal.
Yeah.
And just another day on the diamond.
Do you two expect to run it back next year?
Oh, absolutely. Get the water out.
Do you expect to run it back next year?
Absolutely.
I know, Ben.
Hey, what's up, y'all?
Thank you, sir. Alright, we gotta have a pile of trash. Gotta be all in the same place.
I'm about to teach y'all those dances real quick.
Are you using your Popeye bag training?
Y'all can take out the orange thing. That's it. Take out the orange thing and put it in the bed. Yeah. Take that out and put it in.
I almost pulled this.
Oh, this was crazy hard.
Alright, so first you want to start with a little whip move like that. So your leg's gonna go behind you like that, and whip, right? Then look back, sneeze.
You're so
look up,
slow.
sneeze. Wipe off your forehead, and then dig in the ground. and do this. And now when you put it together, it's like this. Give me head, top, 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 top. All right, got y'all boys.